down with this. Cause they down with this.
Some people are choosing to collapse. Good defence there by Storm. The fear. Quick tap chosen. Smashed. And the crunching tackle there by Gisborne. Taken by Clark. Sutcliffe. Nice spread of hands there. To the outside we go. This is Caden Pady. Strong tip on there with great speed. This is Nehemiah Su'a. Just chiming his way through Palmerston North Boys High School and Hunter Kennedy. Play, they're just working their way closer and closer to the try line, inch by inch. Crossfield kick. There you go. Who can fly? Right side play. Beautiful. Beautiful tip on there. Throw back on the inside. Long ball. Wow. And also the Gisborne Boys. One who's Jose Enrico Gear come out of this school, Gisborne. You know, winning tāne, Te Papaioea, 44 points to 8. It's been a privilege to bring you coverage of round 1 of the Super 8 rugby competition live here from Gisborne.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.